Multi-tools are the Swiss Army knives of the modern age, offering a compact and versatile solution to a wide range of everyday tasks. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a DIY hobbyist, or just someone who appreciates the convenience of having multiple tools in one, multi-tools are indispensable gadgets. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. SOG PowerPint. For those seeking a small and pocket-friendly multi-tool with excellent pliers, SOG has the solution. The PowerPint. This compact tool, reminiscent of the Power Access Deluxe, fits perfectly in your coin pocket and doesn't skimp on useful features. SOG Flash MT. If you prioritize having a one-tool option that's perfect for everyday carry and mainly focused on a reliable knife, the Flash MT is worth your consideration. Part of the Flash series from SOG, it features an assisted opening mechanism, making it the quickest knife to access on this table. The liner lock ensures easy one-handed operation, and there's even a secondary lock for added safety. Victorinox Tinker. This tool is a dependable Swiss Army knife with essential tools, including a classic knife blade, can opener, and bottle opener. While it lacks scissors, it's versatile and can tackle various tasks, much like MacGyver's ingenious solutions. Priced at $30, it's a solid and affordable tool. For an extra $10, you can upgrade to the Super Tinker, which includes scissors, making it my preferred choice. But the final decision is yours. This is just one of the many multi-tools available, each differing in size, price, and tool set. We're here to help you find the right multi-tool for your specific needs. Whether you're a knife enthusiast or need versatile tools, multi-tools like the Tinker offer more than just cutting capabilities. They can be a quick and efficient solution in various situations. Victorinox Classic SD. This is just one of the many color options available for this highly collectible knife. While it's a sought-after item for collectors, it's also worth noting that it's one of the most frequently confiscated knives, mainly due to its sharp blade, making it unsuitable for air travel. This compact knife offers a handy set of tools, and one standout feature is the inclusion of scissors. Here's a little-known secret about multi-tools. These scissors are some of the best nail clippers you'll ever come across. Unlike traditional clippers with a fixed curve, these scissors allow you to cut your nails at any angle, making them perfect for trimming hangnails or snipping fraying threads off your shirt. They're a versatile addition to your keychain. If you're looking for something slightly larger, consider stepping up in size. Victorinox Cadet. Swiss Army knives are known for their mod-friendliness. You can easily remove the smart pins and discover the same tools concealed beneath the plastic scales. This allows you to disassemble the knife, customize the tools you need, reassemble it, and secure the pins back in place. Some models, like this one, even offer Flytanium scales with torque heads for more user-friendly maintenance. This particular Swiss Army knife bridges the gap between keychain-sized and slightly larger medium-sized models. It's a compact two-layer design featuring a knife, a nail file, and the familiar can opener and bottle opener. It's a highly practical tool for everyday use. Victorinox Farmer X. This Victorinox Swiss Army knife offers a premium touch thanks to its aluminum scales, which can break when dropped on rocks or concrete. These Alux scales are far more durable. They not only provide durability, but also slip in and out of your pocket smoothly and offer a textured grip. The Farmer X model, which I've chosen here, is particularly great for outdoor activities. It features both a saw and scissors, making it a versatile companion. The Alux design has another advantage. The reamer is usually positioned here, and many find it more comfortable to use in this direction. I personally prefer the Alux for this reason. Victorinox Workchamp. If you're looking for something larger and more rugged, consider the larger Swiss Army knives. This one in particular is the Workchamp. The Champ series is intriguing because it's all about packing in as many tools as reasonably possible on a knife. While there are rare versions with every conceivable tool and are quite wide, the Workchamp is a bit more practical. It features a knife, but what sets it apart is the inclusion of monolithic pliers. These pliers are built as a single solid piece of metal, providing a secure grip. The mechanical advantage they offer is exceptional, and you won't feel like you're about to rip your thumbnail off when you're using them. Of course, it also comes with the customary toothpick and tweezers we've all come to appreciate in classic Swiss Army knives. Gerber Center-Drive. This multi-tool offers some intriguing features worth noting. One of its standout features, which you'll find in many multi-tools, is the out-the-front pliers that snap into action. What sets these apart is their spring-loaded design, making them particularly convenient, especially if you're in an awkward position. No need to fumble or drop your pliers, they open effortlessly. Furthermore, these pliers are equipped with replaceable carbide wire cutters that slice through the tough wire as if it were butter. The center drive also houses a variety of other tools commonly found on multi-tools. But the real star of the show is the center drive screwdriver. Most multi-tools have screwdrivers that require you to adjust your grip multiple times to maintain a straight screwing motion. However, the center drive's name says it all. It's perfectly centered. This design makes screwing tasks faster and more natural, especially when dealing with hard-to-reach screws. It's a game changer for those intricate jobs. Gerber Dual-Force. Gerber's big brother in the multi-tool family is the Dual-Force, a relatively new addition to their lineup. Similar to the center drive, it boasts a sizable and perfectly centered screwdriver that excels at reaching and turning screws with precision. What sets the Dual-Force apart are its slip joint pliers, which you can easily open for handling larger nuts or various tasks. In fact, when Gerber introduced this tool, they sent us a demonstration sample that included a 2x6 full of screws, ranging from small to large wood bolts. The Dual-Force proved capable of tightening every single one of them, which was quite impressive. One notable feature I appreciate about Gerber multi-tools is their provision of exchangeable bits, adding convenience to your tasks. Additionally, the Dual-Force includes onboard storage for these bits, ensuring you always have the right tool at hand. In a world where versatility and convenience matter, the best multi-tools available right now prove to be valuable assets. These compact, all-in-one devices are designed to meet the diverse needs of modern life. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, making quick fixes at home, or simply looking for a reliable tool to carry in your pocket, these multi-tools offer a range of functions in a single portable package. With innovative designs and durable construction, they are ready to assist you in countless situations. So equip yourself with one of these top-notch multi-tools, and you'll be well prepared for whatever life throws your way. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.